No, option D is wrong because there's no such word as upliftment. I know that in this country we always use the word upliftment, but in standard English, there's no such word as upliftment. Okay, so option D is wrong. Okay, so that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys again in the evening for the synonyms and antonyms challenge. Okay, so in the evening we're going to be answering questions on synonyms and antonyms. Okay, so make sure you are present and please make sure you submit your answers early so I can mark them. Okay, so that'll be all for today. I'll see you guys again in the evening. Bye. All right, guys. Okay, guys. I just ended a class with my online students with 2025 JAMB UTME candidates, and currently we're on a 30-day synonyms and antonyms challenge. So each day we learn 3 new words, and in the 30-day challenge, we intend to learn 90 new words, and these words are picked from JAMB UTME past questions. So what I always do is that in the morning, I give them the words we're going to learn for the day because I instructed them to get flashcards. I decided to get flashcards, different colors of flashcards, where they will write down the words of each day, their meanings, their antonyms and synonyms, and they'll have a blank flashcard which they will go out with every single day. Every day they're moving out, they go with a blank flashcard and the words we are learning for the day. And I instruct them to always make sure they make new sentences on the blank flashcard with the words of the day. So that's what we've been doing. We set the challenge on the 9th of March and it's going to last for 30 days. In the 30 days, we're learning new words, 3 new words each day, making new sentences with those 3 new words. And in the evening, we come together to answer questions, some of the past questions on those new words that we learned throughout the day. So that's what we are doing in our 30-day challenge in our revision classes of English revision classes. For the other subjects, they are also having revisions, topic by topic revisions. Okay, so I want to encourage you, if you are sitting for JAMB UTME this year, you should really be in our classes because our teachers are so passionate to see that their students succeed excellently in their subjects, which is why they don't even stick to the timetable. You see them organizing lessons even outside the time indicated for them in the timetable. So please make sure you join our classes if you are sitting for JAMB UTME this year. It is really to your own advantage if you join us now because right now, like I said, what we are doing is topic by topic revisions. And now we enable you cover up on all the topics that you have already missed. Make sure you take advantage of this opportunity and do not miss out. Okay, do not miss out on our lessons. Do not miss out. We have a lot going on for you guys in our intensive online classes. Okay, all right, now let's look at some of the questions that we discussed in the class today, because in today's class we focused on the session on completion of sentences. We looked at questions on concord, questions on collocations and others. Okay, so we looked at questions on completion of sentences, and one of the questions that we looked at was this one. The new manager was responsible for the dash of the organization. The new manager was responsible for the dash of the organization. We have uplifting, B lifting, C uplift, and D upliftment. Okay, now which one is the correct answer? The new manager was responsible for the dash of the organization. Now in the class, I noticed that a lot of the students, most of the students chose option D, upliftment. Okay, upliftment, and that is wrong. Okay, it's absolutely wrong because there is no such word as upliftment. Okay, it's not standard English word. So option D, which most of them chose, is absolutely wrong, and they've understood why option C, uplift, is the correct answer. Okay, option A, uplifting. Okay, uplifting is an adjective. To uplift someone means to cheer someone up. Uplifting can be used as an adjective and can also be used as a verb. Okay, for example, the lady is uplifting her team members. This simply means she's encouraging, she's cheering up her team members. Okay, so uplifting is not a noun. You'll agree with me that what should fill the gap should be a noun. Okay, what should fill this gap should be a noun. The new manager was responsible for the something. Okay, something, a noun, should fill this gap. It's responsible for the, like I said, uplifting is an adjective. Lifting is a verb. Okay, lifting is a verb. Lifting, to carry something up, to lift something. Okay, so lifting is a verb and uplift is a noun. Okay, now uplift means advancement, okay, to improve something, to advance something. So this sentence is saying that the new manager was responsible for the advancement of the organization. So the right word to fill the blank is uplift. Okay, the new manager was responsible for the uplift of the organization. Okay, now like I said earlier, upliftment is wrong, is incorrect. Okay, is incorrect. There's no such word as upliftment. I hope that is clear. So I want to encourage you guys, if you haven't joined our classes, it's really very important that you join us at this moment. It's very important that you join us at this moment, because I want everyone who comes across my videos to do well in the exam. If you're praying for JAMB UTME, I encourage you, join our classes. Okay, join our classes, all of our classes, the 4 subjects that you're going to take in the exam. Make sure you become a member of each class. Okay, like I said, you are conducting topic by topic revisions, and the exam is fast approaching. Do yourself the favor of joining our classes, and the fee for our classes is minimum. Okay, very minimal, just 1,000 naira per subject per month. Okay, I made it minimum so I can help a lot of people have the opportunity of acing JAMB UTME this year. I structured our classes in such a way that it's really very difficult to have anyone who has been with us score less than 300. Our goal is 350, because we have brainstorming classes, and these brainstorming classes are being handled by a supervisor. Our supervisor is a graduate of industrial chemistry. Okay, and our supervisor scored 347 when he sat for his own JAMB UTME. So he's teaching the students some of the strategies that he used that helped him score that high in JAMB UTME. So that will be all for today. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for learning with us, and I will see you guys again very soon in another video. Okay, now if you're a parent who are watching this video, I want to encourage you to really help your child, play your own part as a parent by helping your child, introducing them to our classes. I have a parent like you who has seen how serious and how dedicated we are to helping our students ace JAMB UTME this year, so, and has promised to award the highest scoring candidates the cash prize of 10,000 naira. So if you are a parent watching this video, please do your daughter the favor of enrolling him in our classes. Please do that for him or her. Okay, all right, that will be all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again very soon in another video.